In this video, we are going to discuss about how a website can benefit your business. Welcome back to my channel. This is Harshal Surana, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss out any of our video updates. How can website benefit your business? So there are many benefits. So now let's start with it. The first benefit of it is keep building online presence, which means once you create a website for your business, you're creating your online presence, so you're available for your customer 24/7. So once you start with it, the people or the audience can come to your website anytime whenever they feel like, and they can go through all your products and services, and they get to know all your information about the products and services. Because nowadays people tend to search online before buying any products, and then they decide which product or services to go with, and they either can buy it online or offline. This is called as robo effect. Now the second benefit, which is market expansion. So now you have created your website, you are available for people anytime, at any place, wherever they are. So now you have open options for your own self. So it is like if your business is in Pune, but even if you want to target the audience of all over the world, or the all over the parts of states or in cities in India, you can simply do it through SEOs. Through SEO, if you once you do SEO for your website, then simply if someone is searching some related keywords related to your business, they can come to your website and get everything about the information or the knowledge about your products and services. So they can choose your services and product accordingly. Now the third benefit, cost cutting. So now just displaying information on your website, rather you even sell goods and products or services on your website. Which means ki once you have created your website, so why don't convert, like you make it an e-commerce website, so simply you can sell products and services. So it is one benefit of it is ki you don't need to have a store or something. So if it is a startup, or if you can't afford a store or a showroom, you simply sell it online, and you just have to give you deliver the goods from your godown. So it becomes easy for you to reach out to the audience without having a store or something. And even it is easy for people or the audience to reach out to you, because they can access your website anytime and buy goods anytime. Now we'll talk about the fourth benefit, which is online customer service. So now through website you can provide online customer service, which is like if customers or the audience are having any sort of problems, queries, complaint regarding the product or the services, they can just go to, or you can integrate a chat option in your website, and they can go there and they can chat with you, like they can share their problems or queries and you can solve them. So it becomes easy for them to clarify their doubts or reach out to you, because when you don't have a website or something, so people people have to struggle, or like they have to put a lot of efforts to reach out to you, and it is easy for you also to solve their problems and easily convert them to buy your products and services. Now the fifth benefit, it is opportunity to grow more, which means the website provides you a platform where you can have a chance where you can expand your business and grow more, because it is a platform where you tell audience or the customers about your past experience, or like what you have achieved, what are you currently working on, what are your future plans. So they come to know everything just through going through your website. And even you can tell them about different offers, different schemes. So it is one of the best way to use it to expand your business. We end with the benefits of website, which will help you to grow your business. Now guys, I want to tell you one thing. So now we have given you a brief description, or like you can say information about what exactly digital marketing is. And here we'll be ending with our first series. Now through next series, we are going to start like going in more deep, like what exactly all these platforms are, how can you use it, some tips or some tricks about it, how to use it, then how to grow it. Even so, if you have any problems, or if you have any queries, or if you want any topic to be covered, please let us know in the comment section. And please, even if you don't mind or having any problems, you can just DM us on Instagram also. So guys, if you have liked the video, please hit the like button and share with your family and friends. And please don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Till then, stay home, stay safe, take care, goodbye.